Okay, welcome back student to this last video of this exercise 8A from Trigo chapter 10 class 8, class 10, not class 8, class 10. Okay, now this question 21, 22 and 23 will be the last question of this exercise and we will solve it one by one. Then this question 22 there are two questions, question 1 and question 2, but I'll solve you question number 2 and question number 1 you do by your own. Okay, we'll start with this question number 21. Look in this question, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, you already know what is the triangle, right? Then do check this part, right angle at B. Please do check this, right angle at B. I'll explain what does that mean. Then AB, they given 7 centimeter, and AC minus BC is equal to 1 centimeter. They don't give exactly what's the value of AC and what's the value of BC, but they just give the difference between AC and BC is equal to 1 centimeter. Then find the value of sin C and cos C. This question is not hard, it's very easy. But only the things is make you confused is this part. AC minus BC is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, now let's start this question 21. Okay, solution. Solution, okay. What is given? In triangle ABC, right angle at B. Okay, let me draw first that figure. Right angle at B. Okay, I'll draw in that figure somewhere here. Let me draw this triangle. Okay, now check. Triangle ABC, I can put A, B, C here, or I can put A here, B, C here, or I can put A here. But do check the question. Right angle at B means this B, where we have to put with that B, this B we cannot put it here or we cannot put it here. We have to put at right angle. Where is right angle? This is not right angle and this also not right angle. Right angle is here and this we have to put B here. Then that A and C left. Look, B we finished to put. Now A and C we can put anywhere. I can put here A or I can put here A. That doesn't matter. You can put anywhere. But this B you cannot change because he already mentioned right angle at B. Okay, then I put here A, B, C. Then what give? Now AB is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, they give this one. AB is equal to 7 centimeter. And what about AC? They don't give. What about BC? They don't give. But what they give? The difference. AC minus BC is equal to 1. Okay, in that case we have to find the value of AC and BC. Okay. Let me take like this. Let me take this BC. Let me take this BC is equal to X. Or this one I'll take X. Okay, I don't take anyone. I don't take this as X. Then if this is X, then what about this one? We'll check. Okay. Now given AB is equal to 7 centimeter, and then AC minus BC is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, I already told you, let me take the value of BC as X. Okay, then I'll write here let X is equal to BC. Let X is equal to BC or BC is equal to X. Then I can write here AC minus, in place of this BC, I'll put this value of X, which is equal to 1. Then I can take this X this side, this is minus, then change to plus, then it will become like AC is equal to 1 plus X. Now then we got here AC. This AC we got here 1 plus X. Or if you take this X also, then this will be changed. No matter you take X also, whatever you want. If you want to take X this, no problem. If you want to take X this one, no problem. Or if you don't want to take X, or you can take small a, or can take small y, also no problem. This X we just assume the value of BC is equal to X. Now we need to find the value of X. And once we get the value of X, then we get the value of BC. And once we get this value of X, then we can substitute here and we get the value of AC. Okay, now how to find this one? We can use by what formula? By using Pythagoras formula. Okay. From figure triangle ABC, this figure. Okay, triangle ABC we apply Pythagoras. Okay, applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now applying Pythagoras theorem, what's the formula? Pythagoras theorem, when hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square, this is the formula. Then here, in this triangle, which one is the hypotenuse? I already told you from in last video, then that hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degree. Which side is opposite to 90? This one. This is opposite to 90, then this will be the hypotenuse. And the base, and the perpendicular, that doesn't matter. You can take this as a base, no problem. You can take this as a base, no problem. But if you take this as a base, this will be perpendicular. Then if you take this as a perpendicular, then this will be a base. Okay, now hypotenuse is this one. Then hypotenuse, that is AC. This is hypotenuse. Okay, let me take generally. This will be the hypotenuse. Then this will be the perpendicular. Then this will be the base. Because hypotenuse we cannot change, remember that. But perpendicular and base, it can be changed. It depends on the angle we have taken. Okay, now I'm taking with respect to C. With respect to C, the perpendicular will be this one. And adjacent to C, this will be the base. Okay, then hypotenuse square, that is hypotenuse is AC. According to this formula is A square. Then perpendicular here I'm taking as AB. Then AB square. Then plus base I'm taking there as a BC. And put here BC square. Okay, then what's the value of AC? We got value of AC is 1 plus x. You can put here 1 plus x whole thing square. Then AB, what's the value of AB? It's already given 7. We don't need to put this unit by calculation. We'll put that last. Okay, 7 square. Then plus BC. The BC we already assume let x. Then in place of this BC I put here as x. Now we can factorize and get the value of x. Okay, let's factorize. Now this one, 1 plus x is equal 1 plus x whole thing square. This is like as a plus b whole thing square. That is one. A plus b whole thing square. You already know in class A, in previous class, that a square plus twice ab plus b square. Now this will be the a plus b whole thing square. Okay. Now this one will be this will be acting as a. This one will act as a. Then I'll write here a square plus here twice ab. Then I'll put here twice a. A here will be 1. Then b here will be x. Then next plus b square. Then I'll put here b square because here b is x. This one is a. This one is b. Then here I have a square plus twice ab. Then plus b square. And equal to 7 square plus x square. Now this one also is a positive. This one also is a positive. Now this plus, if I take that side and change to minus, then x square and x square will get cancelled. Then we cancel it here directly. Then here will be 2 into 1, we got 2. Then 1 square will be 1. Then plus 2. 2 into 1, 2. And this x, we got 2x. Then equal to 49. Because 7 square will be 49. Now if I take this one this side, then we got here 2x is equal to 49. Now this is in front is plus this one. Then we take this side change to minus is becoming 48. Then we got here x is equal to 48 divided by 2, which is equal to 24 centimeter. Now we got value of x. It means we got the value of BC. Then we got here, therefore BC is equal to 24 centimeter. And in place this one, we can write as 24 centimeter. Now if this BC is 24, now if x is 24, then I put here 24. 24 plus 1, it becomes 25. Then and AC is 1 plus x. Then 1 plus 24 is becoming 25 centimeter. And here also we got how much? 25 centimeter. Now we got all the value. Now perpendicular also we have. Then base also we have. Hypotenuse also we have. Now what we need to find? We need to find sin C and cos C. Then thus. Okay, we'll find first sin C. Sin C. Now what's the formula for sin? Sin is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then I told you in simple to remember easily. some people have. Sine some people have means sine perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now here, what is the perpendicular? C. With respect to angle C, if you take this as the angle, then which side is opposite to this angle? This AB is opposite to this angle C. Then this will be the perpendicular. Then this hypotenuse we can change. It always opposite to 90 degree. Then perpendicular here will be 7. That is AB. Okay, then I write here AB. Then hypotenuse here is AC. But AB is 7 and AC is 25. And put here 7 by 25. Now we got value of sine C. Now left cos C. And I put here cos C. The formula will be cos is equal to base by hypotenuse will be purely brown hair. Purely brown hair. Then this will be as base. If this will be the perpendicular, then this will be the base. You cannot change that. If you take this side, this angle. Now if you take this angle, then this will be the perpendicular, then this will be the base. But we take this angle C, then opposite to that angle is always perpendicular. Then adjacent to that angle will be the base. Then this cos C is adjacent to this C, then that will be the base, and this will be BC by AC, then which is equal to 24 by 25. Now this will be the answer for that question number 21. Okay, now come to question number 22. Okay, now do this question 22. Okay, now in 22 question, there are two questions for 22. That's question number 22-1 and 22-2. But I'll do only question number 22-2. Question number 22-1 you do by yourself. Okay, now in this question, in triangle ABC, right angle at A, it is similar to this right angle at B, but here is right angle at A. Then if tan C, now here given, if tan C is equal to 3, then find the value of sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Okay, this question we can solve by two methods. One will use that trigonometric ratios TR, or other we can use by direct formulas. There is a formula for this. But first we'll do mainly by this one because we cannot get that formula. Okay, now let's start this question. This we have to find. Sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Now in triangle, okay, let's draw first that triangle. But here they give right angle at A, no more right angle at B. Then right angle at A, where they have to put at A, they have to put it here, A. Then B and C can put anywhere. Okay, I can put here A, then I put here B, then I put here C. Or I can put A, B, C, no problem, or A, B, C, no problem. But this A we can change because according to this question, we give right angle at A. Then you give tan C is equal to root 3. Okay, given tan C is equal to root 3. Now tan C with this angle, tan C, then this angle, then opposite to this angle will be this one, that this will be the perpendicular, and this will be the base according to that tan C. Okay, then this will be, this one we cannot change because this is opposite to 90 degree hypotenuse. Then I can write this one as this tan C is equal to root 3. I can put this like this. I can assume here there is a 1 here. 1 mostly, if it's there from the denominator, mostly we don't write it. Then this one, if there is no 1 that we here, we have to assume there is 1. Because root 3 divided by 1 will always remain root 3. Because 2 divided by 1 will be 1 into 2, 2. Because again we got 2. And here root 3 also similarly. Root 3 divided by 1, again we get root 3. Then that's why I put divided by 1 there. Okay, then here, what's the formula for tan? The formula for tan is perpendicular by base. Then formula for tan is P by B. Then here we got Here P is equal to root 3, then B is equal to 1, and what is missing? Hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is missing. Then we can find this by using Python. Then by using Pythagoras, Pythagoras theorem or Pythagoras formula. But here hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Then here we got P is equal to root 3, then I put here root 3, because here is square, then I put here square. Then plus base here will be 1, and put here 1 square. And then this is h square, and root 3 whole thing square will be 3. Remember that. Root 3 into root 3, this is equal to 3. Then root 3 whole thing square also, this will be same. Root 3 whole thing square equal to root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. The meaning of this root 3 I will show you. Root 3 whole thing square, this it means like this. 3 to the power 1 by 2. Because this root is a power of 1 by 2. Then into this 2 here. Then 2 and 2 cancel and left only 3. Then here root 3 whole thing square, we got here 3. Then 1 square here 1. Then this h. Now this square, if I take this side, will change to square root. Then we got here therefore h is equal to 3 plus 1 will be 4. And square root of 4 will be 2. Now we got the value of h. Okay, now here we got 2, and here we got how much? Root 3, and here we got 1. Okay, then what we need to find is sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Okay, thus sin B cos C plus cos B sin C. Now remember, sin B, what's the formula? Sin B is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Now sin B, where's that angle? This one. Angle B. This one is angle. Then if this is the angle, according to the sin B, look for the sin B only, don't look this C. For B. For B only. If this is the angle, then this will be the perpendicular. Then this will be the base. Because hypotenuse we can change. To remain here. Now formula for sin B is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse, that will be 1 by 2. Then in place of this sin B, we got here 1 by 2. Because sin B is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. If this is angle, then with respect to this angle, opposite to this angle, that is AC. Then that will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, that will be 1 by 2. Or should I write it first like this? Now sin B is perpendicular by hypotenuse, that is AC by BC. Because this perpendicular is AC and hypotenuse is BC. Then AC by BC. Then look about cos C. Now cos C, remember, now with respect to this angle. Now with respect to this angle. If this is angle, then this will be the perpendicular, then this will be the base. Now with respect to angle C, this will be the perpendicular, then this will be the base. But with respect to B, this will be perpendicular, then this will be the base. But here is cos C. Cos C means cubic brown hair, means B by H. Then B by H, then this will be the base. Then this will be hypotenuse, again 1 by 2. Again AC. Again AC by BC. By using this one is very confusion. But if you use formulas, it's very, very simple. We'll come to that. Okay, now cos B. Now again we'll go back. This will be the angle. If this is angle, this will be the perpendicular, then this will be the base. But cos is base by hypotenuse. Now base by hypotenuse means root 3 by 2. That will be AB by BC. You got here AB by BC. Then similarly for this one, sin C, and perpendicular by hypotenuse. Again, here will be AB by BC. Or maybe very confused for you. Okay, I'll draw like this separately for so that it won't be confused for you. Okay, this will be the hypotenuse. This we cannot change. Hypotenuse is equal to 2, and this will be B. Now, in this triangle, we'll take only with respect to B. Angle B, and this will be the perpendicular, and this will be the base. Now, here AB is equal to √3, and here perpendicular will be 1. Okay, then I'll draw another triangle. The same triangle A, B, C. This will be H is equal to 2. But here, with respect to this angle, with respect to this angle, this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base, this will be the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse here also cannot change. But here, with respect to this angle, then this will be the perpendicular, and this will be the base. Here, how much? 1, and here, how much? √3. That. Now you can check it. Sin B, this one, with respect to B. Sin B with respect to B. Then perpendicular by hypotenuse 1 by 2. Okay, then cos C. Now this is with respect to C. Cos means B by H, then 1 by 2. Got it? Then here, cos B. Now again with respect to this angle B. Then cos means B by H, √3 by 2. Then sin C. With respect to this angle, that will be perpendicular by hypotenuse, √3 by 2. Then we got here 1 by 2, then here also 1 by 2, then plus here √3 by 2, then here also √3 by 2. Then we got here 1 by 4, then 3 by 4. Then we got here 1 by 4 plus √3 will be 3, then 3 by 4. Now we don't need to find Sm, and also we don't need to do cross multiplication because both the denominator are the same, then they are able at this one. 1 plus 3 will be 4. Look, remember, if the denominator are different, then we cannot add this numerator directly. We have to take Sm or we have to cross multiply. Okay, let's do first this one, which are of the same denominator. And if the denominator are same, then we'll add this one directly. 1 plus 3, how much? 4, then divided by 4. We have to divide this. Because the denominator is the same, then we divide by the same number 4. We don't need to, or don't add this one. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. That will be wrong. Then here 4 and 4 will be cancelled, and you got here 1 is the answer. Now question number 22 to also finish. Then we'll come to question number 23. And for that I have to draw first this one. Let's pause. Okay, now we come to the last question of this exercise. And in next class we'll continue to the next part of this chapter. Okay, question number 23. Now this question also is not difficult, it's very, very easy. By looking at this question, maybe it's looking difficult for you. Okay, but after explain, listen it carefully, and if you don't understand it, do go back and rewatch it again, so that you get what is how to solve this type of question. Is very, very simple. Okay, in this question, in the following figures, I mean this one is a figure. We'll draw this figure there for the purpose of explanation. Okay, angle B given here 90 degrees. Now this one is angle B 90 degrees. Then angle BAC, this one BAC is theta. This one theta. Then BC, this one BC, this one, and CD, this one. Both they are 4 centimeters. But in this diagram, you look, this one is longer, this one is shorter, no problem. But in measurement, this have to be the same. And AD, this one, AD is 10 centimeters. And what AB they don't give. Okay, no problem, we can find the value for that. First we have to find the value of AB, then we have to find the value of AC also, so that we can get the value of sin theta. Because this angle, theta is not whole whole angle ABAD. It is a BAC, and this only from here to here, only from this line to this line. Then we have to find what is the length of this AC and what's the length of this AB. But BC is already given. Okay, now to find the length of AB, we have to use first this big triangle. There are two triangles here. There are three triangles. This one, ABD is a one triangle, ABC is a one triangle, and ACD is another triangle. But remember, in Trigo, from the beginning of this chapter, I told you that Trigo is always deal with a right angle triangle. Then this ACD is not a right angle triangle. Then we'll consider only ABD and ABC. Means it's only two right angle triangle here. Okay, we'll draw this figure. This question are very simple. Now theta. This one -4, this one -4, and this one -10. Now in total we have here. In total here we have 8 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Now we need to find this one, and we need to find this one. Okay, what's the given? Given, I don't need to write that much given. Given, go directly from the figure because I already given from the figure, or then write something. Okay, given AD is equal to 10 centimeter, and then BC is equal to DC is equal to 4 centimeter, and therefore BD is equal to 4 plus 4. This one is BD. BD is 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8. We've got here 8 centimeter, and then what else? And AB we don't know. AB we need to find, and then AC also we need to find. Very simple to find this one. Now to find AB and AC, now we have to check the triangle. Now to find AB, we'll take first this big triangle, this what I got there? This big triangle. Okay, ABD. Okay, I'll do like this from this larger triangle. Okay, from triangle ABD first I'll take this one. ABD. If you are confused, I'll draw it separately like this. Now ABD. Now this is 8 and this is 10. Now we need to find this one. Okay. Then here which one I'll use? Python again. Applying Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Well, what we need to find is, let's take generally, this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base, and this will be the hypotenuse. Okay, I'll write that in here. Hypotenuse, this one, H, then this will be perpendicular, this one will be the base. I'll do this directly. Base is equal, I've already given you the formula in the last video to find directly by using Python. Base is equal to square root hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square if you want to find base. Then H here is how much? 10. Then here will be A. And here we got 100 minus 64. Because 10 square will be 100. 10 into 10. Then 8 square will be A into 8. 64. You got here root 36, which is equal to 6 centimeter. Now we got value of AB in this triangle. Here we got 6 centimeter. Then now we'll come to, now we need to find again AC. Okay, let me write this. This one. I'll put here with C. Then BC is how much? Only 4. Then this AC we don't know. Now this AC again we don't know. But this AB, how much we got AB just now? 6. Now this triangle ABC I'm taken. We finished ABD, but now we can ABC. Then here is theta. Okay, now we need to find this one AC. Now again, from triangle. From which triangle now? ABC. From triangle ABC. From this triangle. ABC, because we need to find this AC. Then again here applying Pythagoras. Then we need to find h. Then there's a formula for that. Hypotenuse squared, and take that square aside, change to square root. Hypotenuse squared, but take that square aside to the right side and change to square root. And here we have perimeter square plus base square. Now perimeter here is how much? I'll take generally this will be the perimeter, then this will be the base. Then here will be the perimeter was perimeter 4. Then I'll take here 4. Then base here will be 6. Then we got 16 plus 36. Then 16 plus 36 will be how much? 52. 6 will be 12. There 40, yes, will be 52. Now square root of 52. There is no, this 52 is not a perfect square. Then if you find the square, you will get a decimal point. Then no need to find that one. Just factorize this 52 if it's possible. 52, then 2 into 26, then 2 into 13. Okay, we got like this. Then we can write this one as 2 root 13. If I got 2 root 13, this is ordinary in class A. Because this 2 has got pair. Then the pair, one number will get out from outside the root. Now this 2 is 2. How many 2 here? 2. Then 1 2 will come out from here. And that 2 will get out from this square root. It will come out and left only 13. Because 13 is not pair. 13 is remain alone, means single, and still may get inside the square root. Okay, I've got the value of what? Value of AC. Now AC also we get. Then what last left? Now everything we got. And last is find value of sin theta, cos theta. Okay, here how much we got? 2 root 13, and here 6, and here 4. Okay, that's number 1, sin theta. Now what's the formula for sin theta? Sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. That will be P by H. Then what's the value of P? Look here. This is theta, angle A. With respect to this angle, which one is a perpendicular? This one will be the perpendicular. And this will be the perpendicular, this will be the base. Now this one, always hypotenuse, because always opposite to 90 degree. Then here we got here 4 by hypotenuse, 4 by 2 root 13. Then this becoming as 2 into 4, and got here 2 root 13. Now we got the value of sin theta. And left, cos theta, number 2. Number 2, cos theta, this will be B by H, purely brown hair. Cos is called base by hypotenuse. Now base here will be 6. Then we got here 6 by 2 root 13. Then 2 into 3. Then we got here 3 by root 13. Now this will be the answer. Now answer for sin theta also we got 2 by root 13, and for cos theta also we got 3 by root 13. Now this will be over of this exercise. Exercise 8A. Now we'll continue this chapter in next class or in next video. That will be exercise 8B. Before we do that exercise 8B, we will do first some introduction and some formulas, some basic formulas, how we get those formulas. And that will be a very, very important formula. Okay. And thank you for watching this video, and do like and share and subscribe.